Hello, hello, my friends. I hope that you are having a terrific Monday. We are having a bit of sun here, and that's, I'm going to tell you, that's always nice to see this time of year. My crystals are super showing off. I am going to do an edited video sometime soon and show you guys some photographs of my crazy crystals in my office window. They sure are. They're putting on a dazzling show. It's so much fun to watch them change color. I have 3 more Lucie Packs to go into the shop. I am just overwhelmed, you guys. Just so appreciative of your kind support of this really fun project. So let's just jump right in here and explore these junk journal inserts. And you know, you can use them for junk journals, or you can use them for inspiration. You can sit them on your desk. You can make a shelf sitter out of them. They're multi-purpose. They got all kinds of uses. So the first set is called Serve Them Right. And I am starting to incorporate some of my original art in these pieces. That's a great way to recycle your art. And I tell you something, it's just fun to pass along the things that you know that you've created. It's a great boost to your happy factor, which is really what it's all about, isn't it? Your happy factor. This is my tuck spot locator. Beep, 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 beep. So let's find the tuck spots and serve them right. So there's one here, and then there's one right back here. And of course, each of these has a vintage envelope on the back that is a tuck spot as well. This envelope is from 1932. Of course, now I've gotten super brave, y'all, and I am sewing on all of the Lucies, and I tell you, that's a lot of fun too, to kind of break out that 1949 Kenmore sewing machine. My house was built in 1949, so, you know, I think that it's kind of cool for all those things to come together. We got a little bit of chicken here for you. That's what my boys used to call chicken. Are we having chicken tonight, Mama? So we've got a tuck spot here, and no tuck spot here. No tuck spot here, just one right here, okay? And of course, one on the back. That's in 1923 envelope right there. This is multi tuck spots. We've got one right here. We've got one right here. Now remember, I've said this before, this is fragile paper, so you know, just always be kind of careful with it. And this is kind of a super hidden little tuck spot right here, a little belly band right there. You just have to kind of move this chipboard piece out of the way, which is easy because it's just mounted on a brad right here. More of the, you know, we're liking those big splashes of color. This says I am loved, and I'm just going to leave that in the little tuck spot here. And we've got a belly band tuck spot right here. And of course, the envelope on the back is 1920, which is super neat. And your Lucies always come wrapped in some love, with some yarn. And usually when I send them to you, I don't bother with a bow, because we know that I can't do that. I can't tie those bows. All right, let's go on to Lucie Pack 2. We're calling this one Fish Hooks. This is from in 1901. Let me show you that book, y'all. You'd probably like it. It is battered. It's called Mother Nursery Rhymes and Tales. Isn't that pretty? But she is, her spine's coming off, and at some point I might try to rescue the cover of this book. But right now we're rescuing the inside of it by putting them on our Lucies. Let me get my... Okay. That's just fun. Tuck spot here, little belly band tuck spot, and then there's one right here. There is a tuck spot right here, kind of a belly band tuck spot. I thought I had done one. Oh, there we go. One right there, belly band tuck spot as well. And then there's, should be one right there. There we go. So we got a bunch on this one. Fun, fun, fun. Envelope from 1923. Again, you know, some artwork. This one I think was done by a friend of mine. We kind of exchanged some artwork, so she'd be super happy to know that you guys were enjoying that as well. Got another 1923 envelope. We got some chickens over here. 1, 2 tuck spots, and a third one on the back. This is 1932 envelope. And we've got kind of a belly band arrangement here. We've got a tuck spot here, and one right here. And the envelope on the back is 1935. Mr. Lawrence Sadler, 410 Olive Street, Hannibal, Missouri. I love the typewritten pages. Aren't they just neat? Just think about what was going on like in 1930, y'all. Goodness, that's almost 100 years ago. What a different world back then. Okay, and our last Lucie of the day, we're going to call France. Now, I had to put the rabbit on here because my friend Diana that lives in Paris, my friend Diana found a bunny who was unwell in a garden, and she took him home, and now he is her pet bunny. And it's the sweetest thing to watch her post about her bunny and what they've been doing and how he gets along with her cats. And it's just such a sweet, sweet thing to witness, for her to talk about. It's just sweet, sweet. Okay, so we got a bunny, we got tuck spot here, the belly band tuck spot, a wee mini tuck spot here, as well as a teeny tiny mini right here, maybe for a teeny tiny secret that you might want to put in here. And the envelope on the back is 1925. I really like the arrangement of this pocket. I thought it came out really well. So we've got a tuck spot here. The butterfly just made a sweet little tuck spot. I have to lift her up just a wee tad. There we go. And she made a sweet, tiny little tuck spot there. And I think that's it. I don't think I did a belly band anywhere. Oh, one more. They're just fun to find. This is 1933 envelope. And our chickens, because we always got to have chickens, and the word thanks. I really did like that brad was super cool. And our last little pocket, pocket page here. So we got a tuck spot here, just in this corner right here. And I think there's one, yep. There's one here, and then this is a belly band arrangement. So just fun, y'all. Having the best time playing with these, coming up with different arrangements of color, coming up with different combinations of the vintage text pages. It's just, it's so much fun. And you guys, I am beyond appreciative of your support of the Etsy store, especially right now. It just means the world to me. My doggies sure do like their snacks, and you guys are keeping them in snacks, and they're loving it. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I should have these in the shop a little later on this afternoon. Take care, my friends. Talk to you later.